This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Superman, but Mr. Mokavo Biao, maybe I Monsankan is the between two later. But okay.
Thomas Tuchel, any junior legacy man, tactical one a good. It is Thomas Tuchel. Tactics here the plan to achieve a shortest goal. Born yes, said you nabi nkumawa in any fan. Sir Franco na runyina mfimfin. Yes, she said in area. That is what we call the formation. Tactics near the plan to execute that formation. Na nipa watcher of the two there, your pioneer friend Thomas Tuchel. Dear na Chelsea emo ball yi na problem ni ya there. You know. Ball ni the omo ball. Na the aka no yes all the ball ni beto atenem. Eno am ye show say Messi Mount ball na ka oni kwe onyanka beto ntwede kura. Na James Reed dey now first 10 minutes na Chelsea or 3 goals. You know boss say no. The problem of the Chelsea team one composure inside the 18 box. Ombo ball without a striker. But omu through 18 box mind the total football who jina on ball na ba beto na act as a striker. And clearly o check the composure of James Reed, o check the composure of Hakim Ziyech, o check the composure of Abrante Feni Mason Monta. You know bibi ehwe ball we see to ne ball say e the ball to atem and compare you to first one now saying for me the composure of the attackers and a problem and defensively Chelsea have been weak or more poor defensive organization and an only idea how the best coach the coach need to work on that because a kind of fast so concede go no I feel say Abrante a friend of Mendy no I too quite one region defense ni into her ball na no madrium say ball ne and Abrante brainweight at the ball at what the composure up front and then poor defensive organization from Chelsea and ama omu intimi and win a ball no de omobo na go no na omu intimi che
Obishima menka COVID asem kra was a COVID no ama Kai Havertz, Thibaut Werner, Lukaku, Chilwell, mention them amu nyina no enka ho but Everton so lose very
Simon
good
Coman, Yerry Mina, Geoffrey Segerson, Alan, Richarlison, Calvert-Lewin, Andy Townsend, Demara Gray, Lucas Dean, into general emotion.
I don't know COVID.
No, players almost were pra.
All right.
Team has suffered this particular season in the EPL in terms of injuries. Everton, into Chelsea in the case.
Shutdown talks because so a Juada, previous clubs. No, was almost you know pushes COVID-19. Informatics no kwani mukra. The number of Juada. And then also some everybody postponed games. So this is 9 matches. And that's so far postponed. All right.
One more one in my.
Yan twas.
Postponed.
On more my own.
My Jessica. Say Beshego.
Scabbard what ya? Okoeva.
You recharge DSTV. Can Pogba fit into?
Okay, we are on channel.
The Real Madrid. So you need to overget. Members overget you via the. Let me get Beshego. With them, you short of craft for me so. And I'm one.
Koso
we dey found
o recharge where you realize that you do etikwa Kofi ma kwa man suspend
I who that
so ma kwa say minya
come on madi
I don't say it is electricity the one also na get two also na get two oh
that's my
about to fifia we ko na journey na moto
yes my can Pogba fit into the Real Madrid midfield? Obviously yes. Real Madrid be almost permit for that or release wingers because of their weak play. Say maybe team be on build be and make sure some benya players will be come and any form with the omnim riketu no omnim ball ni kra no mo betimi asan goals. Nti so the moment abo so yes ape omo here a midfielder that will release those wingers. Nti Jabi Alonso and Chekwara say who Gutia and then they have that in Toni Kroos. Paul Pogba cast in that particular mode and Real Madrid Foniana they can manage their midfield. Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Casemiro, omo there obi onyade nche obia, but he's a player based on the rotational policy because and obi who Camavinga, the next obi who Asensio, the next obi who Federico Barbad, and I think Pogba will fit into their midfield very well. Obi Simen ranke free kick for no. Gino Pernambucano first. David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Pelu, Roberto Carlos sana me ranking no. The best right back in the EPL, you know, are interesting. And chair cry, na James Reese. So what kind of the two players are? Omu nyina 9.
Which two players?
James Reese and then Trent Alexander-Arnold. Omu nyina ma 9 goals involvement. Into Ufa Trenta, you know, I 2 goals, normal 7 assists. So offer James Reese, was 4 goals, normal 5 assists. Into Omu nyina almost started to now so compare but recently, so check the form of Trent. You know, I think CCC Trent Ababi Saint James Reese, you know.
The James Reese in the crowd, so tabo wing back instead of right full back.
Yeah,
into a number of times, or corner him like a call Bain more saying Trent. But amongst the two, I would say Trent is a better player. And all who go
super. Okay. Obi say Jorginho, Chelsea lose ball on one gina mfimfini. You know, I made observation there, Nessa. So here Chelsea game now. The moment Ombe lose ball at the head of the middle, Robin look to check. Let me use yesterday's game for example. Look to check. Jorginho at the heart of midfield. No Hakim GH. These days so Mason Mount new rule. Until Mason Mount previously now got drop my eba middle no. This time Otel you on the right pa. So the right sided attack is Mason Mount, but the middle Jorginho love to check and Omu Lusubona and Jorginho Nkwa. Mostly Obo said Jorginho in front of the back three because he set the tone for the Chelsea midfield. He's the director in midfield in Italy. They call him the register, or you can call him the conductor. Or no, Chelsea attack no more body no starting. And until the Bribia wants to drop in front of the three back no, but at the heart of the midfield, so Chelsea elusubo. Na se omo press here. You know, Robin love to cheek. So on so ejina in finfin hobby.
General, the texter asked about Ronaldo too. I think Ronaldo is the best foreign player to have graced the EPL. Orlando filmmaker Sukwa.
That was a different question too. That was a different question too.
Was someone in the dream say Ronaldo the best foreign player?
He's a contender. He's a contender.
You can say he is, but when the statistics wouldn't support it.
With the stars now,
no, you see, also Ronaldo, the born will be brave or born Real Madrid. Ronaldo for me is the best player amongst them. But in terms of born or Premier League, I think say Thierry Henry near Aguero.
Okay.
Well, people can also argue that performance in the last one, 2000 and 2010, gave him the world best.
2007-8.
Yes, 2000.
In fact, the last 3 seasons,
super.
Was just
he scored 35 goals in the last season. Yeah.
And on your contender, because on the win, you know.
No, so he's a contender. Obi bet me, I make a case for him. Say debate me and say yeah. Players
that is why.
Me, I'll go in for Thierry Henry.
The best foreign player.
Yes, but I'll be for Ronaldo. I'll not dispute that.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Donim Bopai Ronaldo.
Okay.
But they are contributing most. Aguero.
All right.
Obi say what is happening to the Blues? January no anya chechi. The modern na bafem. Amom ko drupo na ni ma omuntim fa ball into atenem. Na ball nso ba omoso a omuntimi en defend. And on it said the AC etie. Toni Kroos ne Javi Javi enim boche Toni Kroos. The playmaker in the Barcelona team. Enesesa Frankie de Jong, Nico Gonzalez, Gavi. But Barca a team I bring beyond the playmakers in the door. So sometimes, depending on the rule, once a Sergio Busquets also as a director of midfield. But in recent time, the consistent playmaker in the Barcelona midfield, Frankie de Jong, just a ball and a own team in one year. Problems say all Chelsea no tactics and I do not say with this address. Chelsea questions in the door. Now, you know, and sign Patrick to Wasna.
Sign,
yeah. The prize money for Ghana Premier League. Yeah, I'm saying GFA the two at the start of the season. 250,000 cedis for the winner.
Okay.
Then 150,000 for the second position and third position. 80,000. And Obisasa Adena Omode Car Esisuama referees, not best player. The more money be. I'm saying GFA for some person motivating referees. You know, and more mutimi di match ni here. The day I should be back. And don't you know what they some of us disagreed though.
Barcelona transfers and then the Barca say Omone Cavani kasa so we free Manchester United. No Babisia can their mom because Nancy Nadia so unya bimbo because of Cristiano Ronaldo. Arsenal etiminya Dusan Vlahovic of Fiorentina ebetimi aboa mo ma top 4 na na Geno Abranti and Modebo Soeni, and currently he's the best player in the Italian Serie A. Osina Kadima Fiorentina, 15 goals scored in the Italian Serie A, or a player Ubie Peno. But let's not forget, so free Tiliba, he's now coming to adapt. So Betimi adapt here, you know, and so another subject for discussion. But so the quality now Nebadia, Obetimi had a lot to the Arsenal team. But let's not forget Chelsea, Manchester United, Liverpool, and then Manchester City, top 4 on there. Or my favorite contender for the top 4. Thomas Tuchel dear Tuni obetimi a survivor na because he wants a Chelsea dear. A chassis say ya na Geno and penimfo chassis ye meeting bo say Abramovich ayeko na penimfo chassis din komo say yempam coach no but we the obetimi a survivor na Geno I feel so obetimi a survivor but much would depend on his performance in the Champions League.
Okay.
Sanko ye dia Chelsea has sacked better coaches than Thomas Tuchel, and I'm not surprised so mobility me ejana kwan. Obviously left-footed players, any right-footed players, no. Left-footed players, no, yeah, not be exceptional, just like, but just for a few. So Franco Muna bit me a comment on the left. Obeti me and you bit say Messi, Diego Maradona, Zico, Michel Francois Platini, Ubenya Vitor Buba Ferreira Rivaldo, and then Ubenya Roberto Carlos. Just to mention few, you can add Ryan Giggs. Right for no the only dominant into Buba Omre. So Pele, Ronaldo, Zinedine Zidane, Garencha, Thierry Henry. The list can go on and on and on. Maybe they make up for the right-sided players.
Gerard Lampard.
Omuna make up for say Iniesta,
Ronaldinho.
Make up for the right-footed players.
Oh,
but
okay.
left for now, I'm them January no money papa.
Okay.
Me I can't look at back up.
Okay. Yeah, left and right ya mokena Whitney. Yeah, Whitney control. So now most about 5. No so left to
Whitney left.
We left eye.
Then you left.
And then also using the left number as the left no. The 9 come was 99 left. The left are about 5. There's a channel with it. Whitney, there's about 5 near to channel.
They're very funny so now.
And there's a new quanimu. Until me should go back. In 5 years or something down in
Left-footed
about 28 matches. Not a single goal.
O man go striker.
Wasan rough.
They don't onimbo.
My friend is also no
Nyedwane football.
Now no Ashton so could do referee nanka omukuno.
Whitney.
Me
O ball left so the ball 5. You trust man.
Obi say e dey na kotoko betimi aye. E dey see pressure opponent the ball so say go back and attack. I feel say one. There should be a pivoter. One of them should be disciplined. When you say Tony Mobetimi and goals now mo consider protocol against Kinfesa, protocol against RTU. One pivot should be disciplined. You know, but we say pivot to her and 3 against 2. One pivot should be disciplined.
What him say? Pivot or was
Chechemu Kotoko Mudasiru no more bo Agadasa. Enikwa so mu mienu nyina di ball n'echi. Se Mudasiru kwa e wo sa Agadas stay. Se the be pressure ebe defense no so no betimi a sustain pressure no. Because attack be e beba Kotoko so bia. The first person, the last person I also duru no so ansa na ko the center backs and especially from the middle should be the holding midfielder. For me, the holding midfielder should be disciplined. The role should be defined well. Once I got to go double 8, double 10. Obehu Mudasiru, Obehu Fabio Gama. Na kwa Agadas nkwa. Or setito no. But enikwa se odi omu nyina echi bebrebe sa. Because you know as Abowi Mudasiru played number 6. But in this particular game, time and pressure neighbor, he was nowhere to be found. And again, the rules should be defined well. Number 2, the right-sided and the left-sided players, omudibo na chidodo. You know, so how you got to games now. Omudibo na chidodo. And let's not forget, Fabio Gama a ball from the right. He is not a natural winger. It is a ball ni ko ni furnish or drop the bar midfield. Into who's a ball ni banachia, who's a bar beta. So watch the Kotoko game against RTU. A coin first goal in fast by. It was Masola Jimamum and a caught that right side. And a run at anybody son. That was the end of Kotoko. Inti right and left footed players no make two the 3 for you know I had right back in a way. What the first go again? The right back no on send you. nti omo nyina di ball na chirodo I feel say the roles should be defined well and the no omo kwa so when wa we nyina adwuma when wa we nyina adwuma I think say na betimi aboa yes I no omo nyina di ball na chi na obi antimi act as a mopper obi anya discipline at the back because enam say Kotoko was central defensive pair problem no this is in Kwamabo Apau versus Ganiyu Omabo Maso Adima versus Ganiyu Omabo Mubarak versus Ganiyu really coach intimi settle on a pair betimi aboa Kotoko central defense no and the moment abe we say central defense problem general the number say should be disciplined in Newcastle the ball na chi bebrebe the next thing the pressing scheme should work the ball is safe from anymore na eba eni kwan sa nim hofo no bia nante e wo so bia bia ball ne be say na e ho na start the defensive plan the players need to press and press high just to make sure they will unsettle the opponent's play and yes I know mu jam na the no mu the ball no timi ba bedrum finfin wa this opponent omu use players omu very fast in wide areas the same plan I can face I use here the same plan Karela use here the same plan RTU use here Kotoko were lucky against baby and Go Stars and Ntimi work against them and again it was the same plan that Fatau used and one until they were born omu the Kobe Nkuma na nifa na ball na ba belande ewo right sided of the defense no na ball no omu di atum sa na Genoa the BIC nti I think say coach Prosperity also working on that.
Okay.
10 local players and I can see from Blaster. Meaning what I see in the background for local players 10 for Blaster school up the general betting. I think say you beat me I consider 4 and army and son. Can shed on your bad cry.
Okay.
Masola Bekwe, David Abagna. Fatau they say is your 110 team can I say. Okay. Fatau, Razaka Belua. I think say if you are considering any of these in there.
What about Richard Atta?
David Richard Atta the maybe Razaka Belua Jano.
Okay. Na obisu busa say Keto Kreku FA president. Na small kind say sa quota no yemfa we ma local players no name for Debbie. Obia yempe the best players no man national team no. Ne yemfa numbers ma friends one ball Ghana. Ne mo no. Say na madwen yemu.
Maybe I'll go in for a quota system. Genoa, see your players in the national team. One, Adeba Akun boy and say, I agree with Sir Franco Naro say the best players should be selected for the national team. And yet Ubia Aqua. But I'll go in for the quota. Why am I going in for the quota? It has its implications. I agree. National teams no the same with Sir Franco Naro. Mean who be o makuchato. Say dear, I was say BBI making sure say any tournament there is a quota. You can have Brazil and Argentina coming to the World Cup. No more add 1 or 2 local players to the based on the competitive level of the Copa Libertadores, the competitive level of the Brasileiro, the competitive level of the Argentina Apertura League. Into no more for Enzo Perez mo, and the Gabi go Maka so Mrame Bobi. Into Omodia no money quota, but a baby on making sure say a local player performing, they would add him to the national team. You know I'm going in for a quota. A didn't make for quota. Your league now you need sponsors. Having players in the Blasters, a well-deserved players are winning ball locally in the Blasters, you know, beating attracted major sponsorship. Imagine Ghana playing semi-final of the AFCON with Algeria and Morocco. Nenya Masola Bekwe saw that the left side of attack. Now perform Obia Ebebusa say player beni. And another crack draw attention to certain sponsors. I'm about sponsor a league in the Diamae. Until I'm going for the quota. My next point, you know, the popularity of our league. The entire Brazilian Argentina league is popular because of Saudi India. Oh, I never say Marcos now better go demand Brazil in 2002. No, but team may. Say Sao Paulo. Oh, I never say Edilson now no see I can't demand Brazil in 2002 World Cup no friend buy. No, Maka Fluminense. The very day you hear the word Fluminense, you go and search for Fluminense. So what is says you go no Obama Botafogo, you go and search for Botafogo. The same thing applies to the Ghana Premier League. Yenya player be Abdul Fattah Ishaku. I want to believe. Said the moment to go see Academy under 20, no more exploit no. That very day, people started following Steadfast on Twitter, Steadfast on Facebook, and people started searching for Team My Friend Steadfast. In January, ye players no see ma few omuni importance see inform ko see aka ma national team in a major tournament ye teams na abrochi any Africa bi mu kura ni momudi no je no almost be team at team leading aba ye Ghana Premier League ni so team ay popular. These are the two reasons that I feel say what you give a certain quota to local players in the national team.
All right. And ye koba na ya hwe a friend say the obi should buy fa controversies about decisions be referee decisions be one. Yen komra na se control for ntimi nyini na enka ni nyina mom na mon san kire mo adwen biom em say week is na we nya kwan anhwe TV dina OTA radio nti ono so de ba ye no ye koba ye be hwe e honom